Hello, everyone. Nice to be here. Thanks first for all of you for coming here, and for thanks for Almarise for inviting and having Tempo here. So today we'll be talking about Tempo and how we are using AI in our solutions and what's our journey with AI. And yeah, so a few words about me. So my name is Filip, I'm from Poland originally, and I'm based in Poland. I am Senior Partner Manager and CSM in Tempo. I've working there for 3 years right now, and so I have some technical background as a salesperson, but I also am an Atlassian community leader here in Poland. So yeah, that's all about me. So today I wanted to discuss a few topics. So first, I want to introduce you to Tempo, if you don't know our solutions yet. Then I would like to talk about AI at Tempo. What is our journey with that kind of adoption of AI in Tempo, and what's our next steps? Because I think there's like software development is a constant improvement, and I will share some exciting details about our path to. Yeah, so something really, really great, I think. So, okay, so have you heard about Tempo before? No? You're a customer, so. Okay, so let's say that you probably know us for primarily as a time tracking app. This is our most popular app on the marketplace, I think, still, but we evolved much more into new markets and new also exciting I think areas. So we are much more than the time tracking at the moment. So like it's a good story, which is like our journey has taken origins in the time tracking, but we evolved into something much bigger. Originally, Tempo is from Iceland. Right now, it's all US companies. So while time tracking remains the integral part of our, let's say, DNA, we developed a lot of connections between the tools that we have in our portfolio. So right now we are more likely, like I would say, go to platform for data, let's say, consumption and data sharing for all the teams within your organizations, starting from very nice tool named Roadmap there, which is like a C-level tool for executive level, brings executive level insights into your roadmaps, and it's like integrated with structure. You probably know structure. So structure is our interface and source of truth for Jira data, and we have our new acquisitions named AlphaServe from Ukraine. So they are bringing these. We can share like the data with a lot of systems, external systems, not only for Jira, but only for Power BI, ServiceNow, and other systems. And originally, Tempo Suite is our solutions for cost, resource, and time tracking. So with that approach, like a whole, we delivering something which is called strategic portfolio management. So we are still integrating our solutions. We are on the path, but there are a lot of things already done. So it's like very, very nice. If you want to see a demo or something, just after the presentation, just don't hesitate to reach out to me. So we want to make the processes of the organization seamless and efficient as possible. So our offering is like a Swiss Army knife of, let's say, product management, offering modular, flexible, and scalable solutions based mostly on Jira environment and Jira ecosystem. So with our customers, we have a big party going on. Also, nice to see some customers here. So yeah, we have very small customers, from small development teams to very large organizations. So it's like quite huge base of customers. So let's talk about the AI. So how many of you are seeing the AI contribute to productivity in your organizations at the moment? Do you use like any AI solutions? Like, okay. So like for me, I think it's a very hot topic. So just promising to support all levels of organizations, from strategic directions, strategic decisions making, from planning like the PMOs and project managers to people who are just like working on projects, developers, other people involved in the projects. So it's just like, the promise is very big. So to increase performance, more relevant, deliver more relevant data, and also like building communications between the teams to break up the silos. So our journey with AI adoption begin with also the time tracking solutions named timesheets. So there are many reasons behind that, because first, some of our competitors says that we are not like a super automated, and also this is our flagship, so we want to start from the most popular product to deliver these features, as AI features here. So also like from the value, streams of value perspective, I think this is also great because these AI features enables us to remove all that, let's say, tasks that are not bringing values to the customers. So it's like very, very important from that perspective. So also maybe still why your company needs time tracking, because it's like the baseline of your company. It's like give you these insights into what money and time is being spent on in the company. So like this, give you this basic information for your projects, and you can see when your money and time is being spent. So, of course, timesheets is one of the top apps in the marketplace. It's not only just the productivity monitoring, but it's also, it has many use cases. It's a game changer, not only for, let's say, developers, but only it has some ITSM use cases. So you can, for example, providing real-time insights to incident management, resolution times. So it has like got tons of great features. It's like very easy to use, easy to adopt, and of course it's it uses API and is very highly automated. So our solutions, let's start our journey with AI. We started with automation, which is a very simple, but that goes beyond the traditional time tracking, because our solutions uses automation to drag the data from external systems and calendars to put it in the my workplace view from other systems, calendars. So it brings a lot of effortless, let's say, it brings a lot of easiness for users to they don't need to use like a manual work to log their time. So automation was the first step we've used in our solutions, like to connect it with other external solutions. And it saves a lot of time for our users when they were logging time. But still, like, automation is a bit dumb, because like it can bring some, let's say, cards to the my work view, but still sometimes some signals were missing, or just like there was like, what is the issue key? So still users need to use that. They need to still click on that cards to make it like a full. So we wanted to, that's why we've adopted AI, and we started with AI suggestions into two fields. First is we predict the issue key on suggestions. So our machine learning model works like this. It like learns how user is working with Jira, and then it's like suggesting the most accurate issue keys for user when they are logging time. So it's like eliminates that uncertainty with automation like delivered. So it's like a very, very, very accurate and very up to date. Another thing that is like AI currently working in Tempo is like we are also recommend the issues while logging the work. So not only predict the issue key, but also machine learning model also shows you which of the tickets or like issues in Jira you were working on. So also eliminates this manual work and make it like much more easier to log your time. So the results was like we done like a research. So with that AI model, AI implementation in timesheets, where we were able to reduce the time to create the workflows by 33%, and increase the adoption of suggestions like 43 or to 30%. Yeah, so I mean, this is also very important because like the data without like reporting is like worthless really. So I think this is very important for the accuracy of reports, which are also available on the Tempo platform. So it gives you like more insights, more accurate data. So it's really helps you to have these very good reports. And we are integrating with our other solutions named custom charts. So there is also other solutions you can integrate it, and also with AlphaServe you can integrate it with external systems. So this is our way to customize the data, to share them within the teams, with other teams. So this is also important that it's like very accurate and up to date. So what's next? Like we have our project, which is, I cannot unfortunately share any, let's say, slides at the moment, but we have project which is named Project Sage. So our goal is to make manual logging time a thing of the past. So we want to do it completely out of users. Let's say, it will be completely behind the scenes. So the logging time will be completely behind the scenes. So even without any interaction from users. So that's our goal. And we are very close to that, as we have, I think right now this is on the early access program, and it should be like available for customers in cloud, of course, in Q2, so in the end of Q2. So it will be like something totally different, I think. It will be like totally automated, and that's why we're investing so much, and that's why Tempo is so expensive. Yeah, so like also looking from other perspective, you know, time tracking is just like a very small piece of that big picture with also delivering. So we have like solutions which are supporting all these levels of organizations at every level, from strategic direction planning to execution. And yeah, I think this is also important that we also, from another stages of this project, we will also implement AI in others of our solutions. I know that there are some works on structure, so still we'll be like exploring this area to make it like as much user-friendly and effortless as for the users as possible. So thank you for your time. If there are any questions. Except why Tempo is so expensive. because you know, because of the AI, all that things that we are investing a lot in integrations especially, and also we're trying to build something. I mean, we're trying to not be, let's say, this box solutions. We try to build something, I think, bigger, which is called the strategic portfolio management in the lightweight version, because I know there are market like ServiceNow or PlanView, but we are trying to build something which will be easy to adopt, easy to implement. So that's why we're trying to build something bigger with our tools. Yeah. Are there any more questions?